Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a portfolio using Canva. Okay, so the very first thing that you should do here is you can download the Canva application, or you can also use your web browser, and then you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, so you just have to open any of your web browser and then just tap it right here, canva.com, and then you would be directed to this section. Okay, so after that, make sure to create your account. Okay, so you have here now our profile at the bottom left since we already created our account. So here you have to subscribe to Canva Pro so you can access all of the features here on Canva. Okay, so right here using the search bar at the top, you have this options, your designs, templates, and Canva AI. So make sure to select templates. Okay, and then here you just have to type out portfolio. After that, just click on enter and you'll be able to see here now all of the templates that you can use for your Canva portfolio. Okay, so right here, for example, this one. So you have this crown icon. So this premium template is included with your Canva Pro plan. So in order for you to access all of the template that you can see here, you have to subscribe to a Canva Pro. Okay, so now let's find a template that is good for our portfolio. For example, this one. So you can click on this template. Okay, and then you can preview this template before you use it. Okay, so if you think this template is good, so you just have to click on this customize this template option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And now right here, you can customize, change the elements, and then do the changes that you want. Since you have subscribed to a Canva Pro, so we can customize this template. Okay, so for example, right here. Okay, so you want to change this one. So my details, for example. Okay, so you can also resize this one so that you can occupy the space. Okay, so now if you want to change the image right here, you can also upload your own photo. So you just have to go here to the upload section, and then you just have to upload your photo, and then you just have to remove the background so that you can achieve this one. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is the original photo. It has a yellow background, but since we have used the background remover and used the eraser, we have successfully removed the background. And then when we close this one, we can only see here now the person or the object from that specific image. Okay, now here, if you want to add details or information for your introduction for your portfolio, then you can just type it out right here. You also have this text. Now, if you want to change the font style for this section, just have to simply highlight the text, then go here at the top. So here we have the font. Just have to simply click on it, and then here you have your font style. Okay, so you just have to select the font style that you want to use. And here we also have the text styles. So for the document styles, we have heading, subheading, and then for the body. And then if you want to see all of the document styles, you have that right here. Okay, now for example, you want to change the color of this font or words. You just have to simply click on it, and then you have this text color at the top. So you just make sure to click on it, and then you just have to select your color. So for example, I'm going to use that color. Okay, and then you just have to close it. Now if you want to change the color of the background, just have to click on it once again, then go here. So you have here your background color. So just click on it, and then make sure to select your own background. Okay, so make sure that your background is good and will not change the other elements. Okay, now for the next page, we have here now your table of contents. So this is very important when you are creating your portfolio. You should have your table of contents. So of course we have our introduction, about me section, and then your education, personal skill, experience, project portfolio, first project, second project, contact, and your thank you page. So here, if you want to remove some pages, you just have to start from here. For example, you don't need this section, so make sure to delete that one and then go to that specific page. Okay, so for example, this is the page, so you just have to simply click on it. That's right, and then here you have the trash option or the delete page option. So just make sure to click on it to delete that specific page. Now, for our third page, we have here now our introduction. So again, in order for you to access or do this kind of editing, you just have to upload your image. And then again, you just have to go to the background remover so that you can remove the background of the image. Then after that, you can now achieve this kind of element. Okay, so you just have to place it accordingly. Okay, so for example, like that. So here you just have to type out your introduction. Now, if you don't like your font style again, just have to go back here at the top and then just choose your font style. Okay, now for our fourth page, your about me section. So you just have to describe yourself and everything that you think that would help you to make your portfolio more interesting. And of course, your education. Okay, so for the education section, this is just an example image. So if you want to upload here your education image, like for example, during your graduation or something like to justify all of the details that you are going to put here. Okay, and then of course your personal skills. As you can see right here, we have this image. So what I like about using template is that you don't really need to build everything from scratch, so you'll have an idea of what are the things that you have to improve and what are the elements that you have to remove. Okay, and then of course for your work experience, can just go here and then type out your work experience. For example, project manager, sales representative, or you have been a virtual assistant for so many years. Okay, and then if you want to add more text and other details for this section, just have to go here to the text section. Okay, and then you just have to type out your text. Then going to the elements, we have here different elements that we can use as well for this section. So once you are done editing your portfolio here in Canva, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on this share option. Okay, and then after that, you just have to download this one or click on the website option. Okay, so here on the website option, you have to publish your website. So you have here now your site address URL. Okay, so click on publish after that. That's right, and now they're preparing your design, and after that, your portfolio is good to go. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.